Hi everyone, my name is Peli Renata and welcome to the third episode of me doing experiments with foam stamps. Today I will be working with acrylic paints and I chose the PaperArtsy Fresco finish acrylics, but you can do this with any acrylics that you have at hand. For the first ATC background, I am applying two colors using a wet brush so the paints would mix better. After the background was dry, I will introduce a third color, but this time I won't be spreading it on my paper. Instead, I will use a Brayer and Joggles foam stamp called Warrior to make some more background interest. Stamping this way gave really beautiful and a bit grungy effect. The links for all the foam stamps that I used in this video can be found in the description box down below. When I think about acrylic paints, one thing's become unavoidable for me, and I'm referring to a gel plate. So I guess this is an obvious thing for you too. I will do some gel printing with stamping foam stamps directly on my gel plate. Using the Joggles foam stamp called Peacock spirals, I will lift some of the acrylics from the gel plate and print them on blank paper. So this way I will actually be making two backgrounds using just one printing. I always enjoyed how blue and orange color look together, so I decided to introduce another color to make my backgrounds a bit more interesting. And since I had enough space on my gel plate, I decided to make one additional background. Playing with the gel plate is always fun, but also messy. So if I already take my gel plate, I usually make more backgrounds than I need that I can use later for some future projects. And so here I also originally planned to make one card, but ended up making 3 backgrounds. Anyway, here you can see all 4 backgrounds, how similar and yet how different they are. And remember, I used 2 different techniques and 2 different Joggles foam stamps. Anyway, next video is coming up soon, but don't forget to check my previous videos, which I will link at the end. Bye!